Hello, beautiful people. We are going to test our manifestation powers in this video. I'm going to guide you to think in a certain way, to manifest in a certain way, and we are going to manifest something. And after that, you will be 100% sure that yes, you can manifest. Technically speaking, all of us can manifest, everyone manifests, literally. But can you manifest consciously? Can you control what you manifest? Right? That you're going to 100% understand and believe in your, yes, I said believe in your manifestation powers after this video. I'm going to keep it short because y'all don't like long videos anymore, I guess. So I'm just going to keep it short. Plus, I have other things to do. Anyways, so if you're new to this channel, I'm Nehal, aka your guardian angel, and I'm here to remove all the blocks between you and your desires because the blocks don't exist, you guys. They are not real. They are not real. I've started group coaching. First link down in the description box. If you want any details, they are there. Just click on the link and you'll open up a big page where there are details how I'm going to do it. It's going to be like a whole month of coaching, 4 times coaching every week. You can get all the information down below. The prices are going to increase by the time. Yes, of course they are. So early bird prices are down below. So make sure that you sign up for it ASAP. The spots are limited. I don't want many people. I want just few people. Right. Quality over quantity. Okay. So let's start this video. I remember doing a video like this before, and in that we manifested a cake. Yes, a cake. And everyone in the comments was like, I didn't believe in it. I was like, let me just try. It's not going to happen, whatever. And it still happened. People manifested cake, literally. And after that, they were like, oh, I believe in manifestation now. Manifestation works out for me now. So I have a lot of success stories that people have manifested with my videos. So many things: contact specific people, friend groups, business, money, text messages, emails, job offers, apartments, so many things, so many success stories on my channel. So you know this is legit. Okay, so we are going to manifest ice cream because it's summer. It's currently March 28 when I'm filming this. It's hot. I need ice cream. So I was like, why not? Let's manifest ice cream. Ice cream is just going to come to you like magic. It just, you're not going to go buy ice cream. It's just ice cream. You have ice cream because you manifested ice cream. That's what it means. When you manifest something, it just comes to you because it just comes. That's it. By the way, we are going to manifest ice cream, but you can manifest something else with this method too. But I would highly suggest that you manifest ice cream first, okay? And after that, when you're like, oh my god, I manifested ice cream, now let's do something else. And then manifest something else. Sit in a comfortable space where no one would disturb you. Sit down, or you can lie down if you want to. Support your shoulders. Take a big deep breath in through your nose. Now exhale through your mouth. Take a big deep breath in through your nose and hold. Now exhale through your mouth. And just like this, do one more time slowly. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Keep your eyes closed and follow my voice. That's it. If you can picture an ice cream, great. If you cannot picture an ice cream, that's okay because I'm doing this for you. It still works. So there is an ice cream in front of you. What is the flavor of this ice cream? Is this an ice cream tub, like 500 ml, 1 liter? Or is it like an ice cream cup? Or is it an ice cream cone? What is it? Is it colorful? Is it chocolate? What flavor is it? You're just looking at this ice cream right now. It just looks delicious. And you just manifested this ice cream. Out of nowhere, you did this. You cannot believe your manifestation powers that you actually manifested ice cream right here. And as you're looking at it, You're like, wow, I cannot wait to eat this ice cream. It's so delicious. So now you're holding the ice cream in your hand. It feels cold and it looks so beautiful. You cannot wait to eat it. You cannot wait to eat it. So now, as your mouth touches the ice cream, you can feel the coldness in your mouth. Your mouth feels cold and your taste buds explode with this flavor. Your mouth is full of this sweet taste of ice cream. What is the taste of this ice cream? What is the taste? How big is this? How big is this? How delicious is this? It just came to you. This ice cream just came to you. You manifested it. You manifested it. You manifested this ice cream and now you're eating it. Now you're here sitting down and enjoying this ice cream that you manifested. And you can feel it inside your body that your life has changed. Now you have this power to manifest anything. As you're eating ice cream, you're realizing that you are powerful, that you can manifest something bigger than an ice cream. Maybe a car, maybe an apartment, a business, a few dollars, 1,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, maybe something more. But right now, you are just enjoying this ice cream. The ice cream is in your mouth and you feel so good. Your mouth feels sweet and cold, and you have now completed half of the ice cream. You manifested this ice cream. You keep on saying that, like, I did this, I did this, I manifested this ice cream. As you're eating this ice cream, enjoying this ice cream, it is so tasty, it is so delicious. The ice cream just came to you. You just got this ice cream. The ice cream is so sweet, the ice cream is so good. This ice cream is so delicious. This ice cream is so tasty. And now you have finished the ice cream. Now you're licking your fingers because the ice cream melted a little bit. But you enjoyed this ice cream a lot, didn't you? You enjoyed this ice cream. You really enjoyed this ice cream. Now that it's done, it's in your stomach now. And now you feel so satisfied and happy that you manifested this ice cream and you got to eat this ice cream. This ice cream was for you. Now you feel so satisfied after eating the ice cream. You are just sitting there thinking, wow, I manifested this. Wow, I manifested this. And that's it. Now let it go, let it go, let it go. Now you can open your eyes slowly, blink your eyes, twist your fingers, twist your shoulders, stretch your shoulders, and look around all the things that are around you. Think of the 5 things that you can see right now. Can you see my face? Can you look at your phone or your laptop? Can you look around? What are the things around you? What is the color? Come back to this world. Come back, come back, come back. Now you're here and now it is done. Yes, it's done just like that. You manifested an ice cream. That's okay. Now just go about your day. It is done. Come back to this video and write down what type of ice cream you manifested. Okay, because I want to know. It's always so weird. It's like some people manifest this flavor, some people manifest this flavor. I want to know. I want to know the company, the flavor, whatever it was, about the ice cream. It was an ice cream cone, or was it an ice cream tub, or an ice cream cup? What was it? I want to know. So I'm so excited to read all the comments under this video. I love this. I love doing this. This is literally like, this is my job. This is my favorite job in the whole world. I get to do this. I'm the luckiest person in the world. I'm reminding you that I have group coaching open. First link in the description box. If you have any questions, you can email me about it. But if you read all the details, you'll get all the answers because it's long details. You can find everything there. 4 classes, 4 hours every week, detailed everything. I'm going to teach you like this. Like, just imagine if I'm doing this for free, what am I doing in my workshop? It's even bigger. It's like high level stuff. Okay. And I cannot wait to manifest together, you guys. We are going to have so much fun. I love you guys so much. I'm sending you a big, big hug. You deserve all the best things in the world. Always remember that. You are the winner. Always remember that. Okay. And I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Happy manifesting.